Hello, Mr. LeMay. I received your question about this particular problem, and I guess you have to, from this data, you need to sample standard deviation, to calculate the 90% confidence interval. And so you could use a calculator, which I imagine most students do buy like a TI-80 some calculator, but that's not required. If you look over here at my picture, I've clicked on this little icon here, and you have these choices, and this is something called statcrunch. I quite often, I actually prefer it to the calculator. It's a little quicker. So what I would do is click open this in statcrunch, and then you just wait a minute, and your data will be pulled into statcrunch. Of course, you got to learn a little bit about this program. It's pretty easy to use. There's columns across the top, and you'll click on a column called stat, and it'll give you a pull down menu, and then under that pull down menu, the one you want is summary stats, and then you'll click on that, and you'll get another menu and you'll choose columns, and you just click on that, and then you just select the only variable you have, and click on compute, and it comes back with the standard deviation. Now I see it before me here, it's a little over 4. S is, I don't know what accuracy they want, but it's saying 4.126, but I'd like you to try this for yourself. So if you would, try this statcrunch out. It's pretty nice software. It'll do actually a lot of things. Yeah, you wouldn't want to do this by hand. You had a second question about degrees of freedom. I'm trying to remember what it was. You need to read on page 311 at the bottom. On page 311 at the bottom, they talk about, what if it's not in the table. If you're between two values, you always choose the lesser value to be conservative, and it'll give you a wider confidence interval. Instead of going for the narrower one, it's better to play it safe and go for the wider one. So if you would, read their comments on the bottom of page 311. I think that'll answer your question here. And then this is how to find a sample standard deviation that you're looking for. Hope this helps.